Namaste, Beno. I don't care about the men. Welcome to the show. It's a 6 p.m. evening thingy. I, of course, thought I'd got this whole look right, but I'm still looking down, a bit like the Nazi Germany movies, where you look down and talk to the nation. Well, that's my thing. But I want to discuss the elephant in the room before I call in our two wise men to join me. And this question is for everyone, and please don't put off the podcast and get put off by this. But should you call out flatulence? And should you own flatulence when it's you? This is the question I put out to everybody. Please answer in the chat box as soon as you can. Because today a horrible thing happened during our shooting episode. And I won't name names and point fingers because I want to shame people. But Mohit farted. And that's disgusting. And there were lots of us around, including two women who I hardly know. And then acted like nothing happened. And then the finger of suspicion was on all of us. Because, nobody could tell. It happens quickly. And then suddenly there's 7, 8 people sitting together. And who the hell did that, especially for passerbys? I did what any honorable man would do to protect his friend. I pointed at Mohit and said, "It's his," and we all laughed. Let's get Silvery and Amit in immediately. Guys, it's such a serious topic. It sounds really silly, but it's not. The thing about flatulence is it hits you anytime. There's never a convenient time for it. And while males together, it's a great thing. It's like a rite of passage. And we all have a good laugh. When the women and other people are involved, strangers, etc., workplace, social setting, not always looked upon kindly. So should you own it when you do it yourself? And secondly, should you out the guy? Silvery?
Tough question, man.
That's a
Uh,
big question.
I You should obviously own it. Absolutely own it. Because once you own it, immediately it's a laughing thing, and then you just move on.
It
Uh,
diffuses, but it's a
as
huge
a
shame
joke,
involved for a lot of people to actually step up
yeah,
there and
See,
put their hand up.
the thing is that if it's relatively odorless, then owning it and it's just like auditory, then owning it is
yeah,
fine. But
yeah.
I thought it was
the
going in the right
stronger
direction. Uh,
the stronger
but
the
you,
stench gets, the
hmm.
tougher it is to own it, isn't it?
Stop
Sometimes
the
it
doji.
happens that you will own up
And
to
that
it.
stays.
You will
That
own up to
stays
it,
for some
and then
time.
it'll start smelling.
Yeah.
You will own up to it, and then it'll start smelling after that. you
Oh,
know,
God.
like you immediately fart, and then you're like, "Oh, sorry, that was me, guys," and then it starts smelling
But
like, "Oh, damn it, why did I say it?"
generally, it's an AC environment which you're in, so it sort of stays for a while. It's
Yeah.
not going away either. And people just, I mean, the best is they just giggle, but the worst is they get really irritated with you. They're like, "Oh God, man!" Like you're some kind of
And
savage.
but if it's not auditory, then I don't think anybody would ever own up to it, right? It's only if it is, if
That's
you could,
that's a
if it's
very
audible.
very good point. Why should you own up if there's no audio? Because
Yeah,
there's
if
no way
there's,
to find out except if they actually smell your behind. I mean,
yeah.
if someone's bold enough to say, "Guys, I'm going to check it out. I'm going to check everybody's behind. I'm going to get to the truth." Who amongst us would do that?
But then again,
But
that is something that only happens once once it becomes like once the
a
odor
longer
of it
yeah, yeah,
becomes an issue, right? Then you can start looking at smell.
yeah.
But
But you
then do
see,
you really want to get down and look at smell if odor is an issue?
but you must understand, there were two women who passed who were doing something else, not involved with our department, and they sort of looked because there was a sound, auditory sound, and all that.
Mm.
That was the big problem because nobody wanted to be the person who did it in their eyes. So it's like being labeled a terrorist or something. Like, look, bro, I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. So then almost everybody moved away from the person whose name I should mention, and sort of like without actually pointing, sort of isolated him so that the finger of suspicion was very clear. But I was thinking about it and thinking what an awkward thing it is. It happens to all of us in all cultures. And how the hell do we not deal with this properly? Even in our, I'm going to be 50 next this year, end of this year. So I mean, like, how sad. Anyway, I think enough time is spent on flatulence. Otherwise, this show really has nowhere to go from there. And Amit, I like your sensibilities that you brought into it, which shows that you're a man who's given this a lot of thought. The level of
I,
smell, the odor
I
level, so to speak.
I feel like there is a stand-up comedy routine around this which I have seen years ago, which I can't remember right now.
But it's not just a stand-up routine; it's a fact of life. So that's a very safe stand-up routine because everybody has to
Wh-
face it.
Where does the phrase "silent but deadly" come from? I feel like that comes from some stand-up comedy, doesn't it?
A couple of girls I dated,
Okay.
and there was no
Do you guys think?
flatulence involved. I can tell you.
Okay,
Silvery, you
quick
were saying
thing.
something?
Yeah. Do you guys think there was ever a time when humans or humanity were comfortable with farting around each other?
Of
Yeah, hundred
course,
percent.
Yeah.
animals are.
So how
I,
how
I
how
I
recent
I
do you
don't
think
e-
this thing is
honestly.
of hygiene or not?
I don't even think it's that long ago. Okay,
Hmm.
when I was much younger, right? Like when I was like say probably in my like in the early 1980s, right? So 7, 8, 9, 10 years old, right? At that point in time, I would routinely hear elder people fart without apology or excuse.
And
Yeah, absolutely right. Yeah.
carry
Yeah,
on with their
yeah,
conversation. You know,
no,
like
and like stop for a second, let it out, and then continue.
Yeah.
Right. So I mean, like, I feel like it. You're right. It absolutely is
so.
a
In a
newish
sense,
kind of thing.
you're blaming the government. So you're saying back in the 80s, the world was a safer place, and now because of all this tension, no one can fart in peace. Yeah. It's highly
Uh,
underrated moment actually when it
uh,
leaves your system and you feel so that sense of release. People should
yes.
understand. Take one for the team. The guy's feeling better. Let it go. But there's huge difference in the family. Family is family. You get used to it. That's a
No,
huge
no, it's
difference in a
extended family.
workplace.
I'm
And
not, dude. I'm not talking about like close family. I'm talking about like super extended family, right? I
there were
mean,
many people
so
in the room when this would happen. Like,
Cyrus, I come from we're Mangrodis, right? My mother's side of the family is what's called a Mangrodi, right? Mangrodis love ice cream. They have parties full of ice cream. Ice cream is full lactose. You know what happens to people who eat so much ice cream, right? You let it rip, right? Ice cream is like it's one of the things that really
let's take
does kind of.
let's take it further. It's only natural.
That actually is.
Yeah.
That probably was the ice cream of choice. No, actually, probably for us at that time it was Dimple from Matunga. That was probably the ice cream of choice for the family.
What about
Uh,
Joy? You remember Joy ice cream,
I
Fendi
remember
ice cream?
Joy
There's
as
so many
well. I
brands,
remember Joy as well. Yeah,
qualities. These three. Yeah.
yeah.
Sorry. So there's
Ma-
a lot of letting it rip happen because of the dietary requirements of the community. Is what you're saying?
because I mean, like, of what there is, and this was extended family, right? I mean, like, we're talking about like my grandparents' generation, the generation above them. So I mean, like, we're talking about like quite a lot of people in that sense, right? And
Hey, Amit, I think me and Sylvie may skip the community parties, huh? Well, even if we're invited to them, don't mind. I mean, the first question we'll ask is the bar open? And two, are you serving ice cream? This is two questions to ask at a Doshi gathering. My God.
no, but the Doshi family is different. This is my mom's side of the family.
Okay, the mother
Our
side.
side of the family, we don't do this stuff. As in, we
Okay,
don't
fair.
do ice cream parties. I'm not saying nobody farts. I'm
So
saying nobody
one
does
butt
ice cream
cheek
parties.
is temptation, but the other one is somehow disciplined in that sense. Yeah, I was just hoping it was a 30-second rant. We've done 7 minutes of just talking about flatulence, but it is a topic which we shouldn't shy off from. I feel
Yeah.
because we do that, we cause more trouble. And Silver, I think you were trying to say something. We interrupted you three times. What were you saying?
No, no, it was
Has it
something about
happened to
farting
you?
only. I'm sure.
You
Right,
said you were
farting
cool
and
about it
so I usually just admit to it. No, again, it has
with
to
the
be
girls, with
audible.
the
It has to be
ladies
audible.
also.
Yeah, yeah. I just if it like see, I try to suppress it. Try really hard to suppress it at first, right? Like
That's
you
the
don't
worst
want
thing.
the sound. Yeah, but you have to. You can't just like let it rip like I say. But if it comes out and it was audible, and I think there's a chance that even one person heard it, I was like, oh, sorry guys, I just farted. It's just what it is. Yeah, just deal with it,
It's
and then
amazing
just
how it
move on.
changes the dynamic if we're just men. Who gives a damn then? It's like, oh shit, and
To
leg pulling all happens, and you're almost a hero of the room. The guy who farted. It's ridiculous. The women come into it, older people, or people you don't know, strangers. I mean, places like a bus station or something, and it's heard by everyone. I mean, that's just unbelievable. You're stuck on the journey with the guy after that, and everybody thinks he's got the plague. Oof. Ah. All right. Time for us to
all right.
move on. Otherwise,
Yes.
now my mind has
Right.
gone from gas to ice cream, which brings us back to gas. I'm honestly thinking after this thing, can I order naturals? I want the Malay ice cream. I just have a
Um,
uh, it's like an ad. This
uh,
this the best advertising you could do is tell us this horrible story, but the ice cream is the star, and now I want ice cream.
yeah, the
Auto
natural
suggestion.
Malai ice cream. I don't think that I eat that often.
Oh, what are you saying? One of the
Yeah.
God's delights.
Hmm.
Malai in any form I love, but the Malai ice cream they do really well. It's really
Yeah.
tasty.
I've
Yeah.
been eating. So I had tooth surgery right over the last couple of weeks. So I
Right.
had a lot of ice
Oh
cream
yeah.
over the last this.
Wow. Oops.
There's some good ice creams out there, man. Yeah, my room is probably not fit for human
Oh,
consumption.
and
This,
you're
sorry,
alone. You don't
I
give
just
a
said it.
flying FUK.
No, 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 that's not
Who are
the
you
case.
protecting?
I'm
You're
not
just
eating like I'm not eating ice creams like ice cream party ice creams. I'm eating like
yeah.
one or two pieces a day.
But you could do an
But
ice cream
there's this.
opera right now. Huh.
No, but I realized that there are two ice creams which I love, which I've loved since I was 7 or 8 years old, and those are the two ice creams I love the most.
Which are
Everything else, all the fancy stuff aside, right? But coffee
Hmm.
ice cream and
I love
mint ice cream,
mint. I
right? The
don't love
mint and chocolate
coffee.
chip.
Love.
These
Yeah,
are the two
no.
ice creams I want. These are two ice creams I want. I don't care about any
Coffee,
of the others.
caramel, and
And
malai for me.
And even in coffee, right? I don't want the fancy coffee. I want the quality coffee, or I want the Walmart coffee. I want
It
that
was,
coffee ice cream.
but it was more pungent. I felt the old,
Uh,
less sophisticated ice creams that we were
yeah.
raised on was more pungent
Yes.
with the coffee taste. It left
I
an
think
coffee
they're
taste.
they're called frozen desserts now. No, they're not called ice creams anymore.
Oh,
So I think you have to be milk to be ice cream, right? So quality is called frozen dessert, I think now.
oh, is it? That's the
Yes.
distinction. Which produces the flatulence then?
I think milk is basically the flatulence comes from, I think, lactose intolerance, right?
Oh,
That is basically the amount of milk is what causes that, is
ah,
my understanding.
wow. Look at this podcast. I mean, we take you from gas to science. I mean, everything. I mean, wow. Really, I respect you guys so much, man. Brothers. Okay, what do we got at Silvery?
All right, sure. Let's get into it. So we have some very good topics. Let's start off with the film fraternity one. A
Yeah.
lot of people from the film fraternity, like Farhan Akhtar, Anurag Kashyap, Shabana Azmi, Zoya Akhtar also, and other directors and actors have basically signed an open letter because the center is trying to pass a new amendment to the Cinematograph Act of 1952. Basically, what this will enable the center to do is to recall movies that have already been passed by the center board,
On a complaint.
and
On a
on a
complaint,
complaint,
which
on
means
yeah,
any
yeah,
Raju
on their own
can
whim,
just say, I
basically.
didn't like
Any
it. Can
yeah,
you imagine?
yeah,
1.3 billion Indians empowered to bring back art anytime they feel like it. That's it. Don't even
exactly. So
bother
they
getting
can
in the profession.
exactly. So they can recall a movie that has already been approved of everything. Everything is finalized, and if they feel that the messaging is off or something is not right in the movie, or we want to change that part, they can get all those
So
things implemented in the movie.
what you're saying is they want to make a useless body further useless, right?
Also, the
Yeah,
now the
basically
censor
Is
board
exactly
has
what it is.
two levels to it. So you pass censor board, then you have to pass censor board again because
no,
they can
Yeah,
still call you back. Yeah,
see, the censor board is kind of pointless anyway, right? I mean, like at this
exactly.
point in time, it's pointless anyway. But this is even taking away whatever little bit it has is gone now. So
yeah,
Well, they're
then why
supposed
have
to
the
be
censor board?
for the
Then
last
you
few
might as
years.
well.
They basically been the guys who the BJP don't want in the front, but still want to keep them in their job. So they are made
Yeah.
into the censor sort of board, and yeah, they impotent now completely. It looks like, and they're just saying we'll decide anyway, which means their complainant will just you shut down the film. I think it's great, but I want to know about this open letter philosophy. Do you sit together and write one word each? How do you write together?
That
I
is
find it
no,
bizarre.
one person writes a draft and then
Dear
everyone signs
censor,
it.
and then Shabana, can you do the board? Zoya, can you? I mean, how does it work? Take ours.
well. So I think what you wind up seeing with stuff like this, from a real perspective, right, is one person writes it or leads it, and maybe a couple of other people contribute to it, right? And then everybody else is just signatory.
Yeah. Okay, let's not attack
I
them.
guess
Poor
that
guys, they're the victims.
No, and I guess you were not really interested in a serious answer over there, but I couldn't think of a joke and answer for a second, so I I did what I
I
could.
was just thinking, opinionated person, just think a little further. I mean, I'm getting irritated because now we're 40 together and somebody's bossing over the letter. I want to put my bits in also. Otherwise, why am I here? Yeah, we're all liberals.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're fighting a fascist regime. But I want my contribution to be there, and everyone has a different way of talking. So
Yeah.
I'm just wondering,
uh,
you know,
there were 1400 signatories, by the way, people who
1400.
signed 1400.
Yeah.
1400.
No,
uh,
who wouldn't sign
yeah,
this? I mean, like
yeah, who wouldn't sign?
it's bad enough that we have a censor board who can put arbitrary cuts, things like you are not allowed to you're allowed to use the word fuck only twice in like a in a what do you call it, in a UA movie. If you use the word a third time, it becomes an
Yeah, but
adult.
what if you have a stammer issue? How does that count? Then you go like,
So then
fuck,
you
fuck, fuck,
tough
fuck. But you're actually saying it once, but you take
tough shit.
four
Your
times to
show's
say
go-
it.
it's going to be adult.
No, it's not fair. It's a health issue.
It is, but doesn't
I mean,
matter.
I think that's absolutely wrong. No,
No,
the
but I
guy
mean,
is
like
saying one fuck, but he says it four times because of the stammer.
I remember some of the like insane things that used to be there as part of the censor board thing, right? I can't remember what movie this was, but there was a movie about Hindu-Muslim relationships and riots and stuff like that. This was when I was working in Bollywood, so this is probably sometime in the late '90s at that point in time, right? And like one of the cuts that I heard that they were demanding from there was basically that I think the guy was Hindu and the girl was Muslim, and it was the cut was something like don't show them in front of the temple or something like that. It was so kind of weird and esoteric
So,
and
so,
made no sense.
As in, the temple shouldn't be in the picture, or the front of the temple is not good. The back of
No,
the
so
temple.
basically, don't have these two as newly married walking in front of a temple or something like that. It was. I can't remember exactly this, but it was just such a it was such a ludicrous cut to even ask for. It affected nothing. It changed nothing. Filmmaker made it. Why would the filmmaker not make it? Right? I mean, like it's just such a small cut that it doesn't matter. Why are you going to break your head over? But it just
And
it's a
despite the best efforts of all forces in every community, Hindu-Muslim marriages do happen, and thank God. I must say, this is a shout out to Tanishq. If you want to sponsor our show, we're okay with all your philosophies. We're quite liberal here. You can marry from any tribe to any tribe as long as both people want it. Because otherwise, it's not called marriage; it's called a takeover, which is something which in corporate speak, Amit Doshi will explain to you. Now, back to our very important point, which was: do we
So
need
this
even more? Yeah.
the open letter also, like there's a small excerpt from the open letter which I think really stands. This is it goes on to say, this will also render filmmakers powerless at the hands of the state, as more vulnerable to threats, vandalism, and intimidation of mob censors. The proposal to amend the Cinematographic Act comes 2 months after Center dissolved the Film Certification Appellate Tribunal. So they had already they recently dissolved one body called the Film Certification Appellate Tribunal, which I don't really understand what that did. Also, it was like another kind of
Appellate
censorship
tribunal
board or
means
something.
you can basically appeal
you appeal
against
the
the
censor board things, right?
thing.
Yeah.
That's it. So it's a in a just society you allow both. Appeal should happen so that both sides can be heard. Otherwise, there's only one side, and it's quite a
Yeah.
lot of fun because it's like when you own the cricket equipment in the lane and then you decide to keep batting even though other people say you're out. It's like that. So we're living in times where these kind of things happen. I think it's just, for me, it's also really funny because with a straight face they're actually coming up with this kind of bill which anybody of, I mean,
Yeah.
not even average intelligence, can be below average intelligence, will know that it's just completely unjust and stupid. I mean, it's pointless. I mean, then the state should just say, look, you are filmmakers. These are the topics we want you to make films on. We will pay for your film, and please stick to the script. And that's it. We'll just get on
And
with it.
nothing
Let's
else
not have a
allowed, right?
farce. Yeah, look at every history film that was ever made, historical that was made, a Sajila Bansali type of film. Everything has run into, I mean, the guy gets hit, beaten
Yeah.
on the set. Some jokers come with who never heard of these bloody groups of people who suddenly are some Sena or the other, and they come and stall proceedings that people
Can
are making a film and employing people, and the economy is prospering because of it, and then people will be entertained because of it, and your eyes will open to history. All the good, there's only good coming from this. Okay, the Sanjay Leela Bhansali films can be slow. I accept that. So don't watch it if you don't want to. But that's his only possible crime. And then
Yeah.
these, I mean, yeah, how can we even debate this kind of thing? We can't debate this kind of thing. We have to be completely out of our skulls.
So no, the idea that you can that there is like I just so what so thought experiment, right? What would you think if something like this were to happen? Let's say this law passes. Because this law passes, the censor board is obsolete, right? So they abolish the censor board, right?
Yeah.
They'll keep the
What is
censor board and act like we've got a
Now,
censor board and a process and all. But yeah, it's just
but
a
why?
body.
Why? What is the point of it?
this is a
Because they
great
want to
point,
act.
a great way to get bribes from movies and all. From movie studios, the center will get like great bribes. KRA will
But
give
the
you like these many
center,
crores.
but
Let us
then
go.
the censor that still doesn't make the censor board logical, no?
No. You have to.
If the center has final say,
Appearance
I
bhi
think.
ek cheez hai. Appearance bhi ek cheez hai. You need to have a process to show what is democracy about. You have to show a process always, so that, like we just mentioned, there's a give and take, and people have a chance to go left or right or whatever. So you're keeping something there to sound like there's a process and a appellate tribunal
No,
after
but
that and all that, but it doesn't exist actually.
this is the very opposite of a process because it's by definition reactionary, isn't it? You
No,
are you are
I'm just
saying
saying
release.
they'll just
Uh-huh.
keep the censor board there, which has of no consequence as you mentioned, but they'll keep it there for the look. That look, we have got this system in place. And that's a measure which is lastly taken because people have been very offended by the fact that this Hindu man married a Muslim woman, and in the song, his scooter passed the mandir in the background. And for that alone, they should be murdered in public and the film should be taken out.
I just I'm a little this right because I'm just like, what is the sense of it then, right? I mean, like and if you are as a government saying that by policy we are going to react to public reaction,
But that is why you have to
what is
respect Kim Jong Un, because he doesn't color things for you. He doesn't pretend to cloak things or anything. He just goes out and says, "My German shepherds will eat you, uncle. So come, carefully towards my house. And it's very clear. I like that. I appreciate that in a way. That's what I'm saying. Let them just decide. This is the films we'll allow you to make, and this is where you can go with it. That's it.
Th-
And Farhan
that, that
Akhtar can sing as much as he wants with his guitar on a tree, but it's just not going to make any difference.
yeah, I think you're right. I think
So,
that's what it.
how do you think the center does not think that this will probably come and bite them in the ass at some point? Like,
See,
if they ever do lose
Silvery,
power.
this is a very good point you bring up, and let's understand one thing: power sort of corrupts you. Two victories back to back gives a sense of a little bit of arrogance or a little bit of
Correct.
entitlement. All this
Uh,
happens. Sometimes you stop thinking correctly and you just go forward with your chest out because that's the way you think things are going to be going forward. I think this pandemic is going to maybe change a lot of things in India in terms of politics. I think the whole political structure is going to do a cartwheel after this, because the people are not fools. Some and people have lost jobs. People have been wandering the streets of India trying to find their homes. People don't have an end in sight. And after like we discussed yesterday, we say we are number two in jabs because in terms of population we are number two, and in China is number one because of max. But we are 4% or thereabouts in actual percentile, with America around close to 50 and UK around close to 50, and etc., and Israel and Singapore above that. We are at 4, and yet we have a front page, and this is again cloaking things and beautifully cloaking things, saying number two in jabs. And my mother, again, always the victim, comes and tells me, see, things are good, we are number two in jabs. And I was saying, explain to her the maths. It means we are really bad in terms of where we stand. We are at 4%.
Uh, we live in the best. We live in like such kind of crazy times when it comes to information, right? Anybody can make anything sound whatever they want it to sound like.
Maths is a great subject, it's because it's all about the theory of relativity. All you have to do
Yeah,
is remember that in your head and put things in perspective later. It's all easy. Uh,
absolute numbers
we
can
should
have.
have been spin doctors. It's so much fun. You can make anything sound good. I mean, Congress is trying to do that with Rahul, but maybe one day.
That's interesting.
Yeah,
What do you think about the stuff over there? Since you brought it up, and since
yeah,
Antariksha is frozen right now, and we don't have another subject to move to without him,
yeah, yeah.
what do you think about the Amarinder Sidhu controversy stuff?
I know Sidhu is almost like a dangerous person to have on your team now. It looks like first, floating from one end to the other, and now he's just sitting there and seems like he's sulking and he's upset, and he wants this and he wants that, and he says he doesn't want any cabinet seat or anything. He doesn't
Oh.
want. There's nothing that he wants. He just wants respect. But at the end of the day, I don't see how he's helping the party in Punjab at the present moment.
So
Honestly.
I read a couple of articles about this yesterday, right? Especially so Veer Sanghvi had an interesting one talking about Congress High Command and like the culture over there. And it really is interesting, right? Because I mean, like Amrinder Singh is pretty much the one place where they're strong in right now, and you're really
And he
kind of
bows to no
screwing.
man.
Yeah,
He
and you're
bows to
screwing
no
with
man.
that. You're screwing
Yeah,
with that, right? I mean,
yeah.
like, and again, we in the article we brought up a couple of things, right? Like, I mean, like Jyotiraditya Scindia from Madhya Pradesh, again, because you're not giving
Sachin
any
Pilot
kind
is
of.
on the brink. Milind
Sachin
Devra
Pilot is on
disappeared.
the
I mean,
Milind Devra is, yeah, he's
yeah.
nowhere to be seen these days. There was one
And
more
Amarinder, as you
example.
said, is a powerful figure. Sorry, as you said, is a most important figure because he's won you Punjab and well,
Yeah,
but he's also very powerful personality. So he's not the type of guy you want to cross swords with, because that's not what you want now at this present moment for sure. But I think it's also
yeah,
a Mandolian process. These guys, how can they not meet? For example, Navjot Singh Sidhu. He's a
I
high-profile guy. He's a celebrity. He is a member of parliament. Blah 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 blah. So what can Rahul do? Say I can't interfere. He can't really do that. So it's a sort of.
I I don't know, man. I think that the thing that came across to me more than anything else, right, is and this was again the crux of the Veer Sanghvi thing that I read yesterday, right? The high command culture that exists in the
That
Congress,
is
right?
there. It's very clear.
And I think that is the problem, right? I think that is the that's the issue, right? More than anything else, because
So nobody, we want to call it elephant in the room or ring the bell.
yeah,
Nobody's going to. No one's. They had so many chances to do it. It's not done, and now the horse is bolted. Let's keep using these phrases.
yeah,
It's just far too. It's gone. The process is gone. I don't know. You think of perestroika and glasnost, more perestroika, restructuring being the most important point when you're down, whether you're a company or
yeah.
a cricket team or a football or whatever. You have to restructure. How do you go forward? You expect everything to be okay on Monday morning. If you've had losses and failures and you're going nowhere in any business, in anything, we have to restructure. That's
You
the only
have
way
to
we survive. Right right or not, even
Yeah.
our podcast or anything else, you'll have to rejig it a bit. Okay,
Yeah.
these guys are just saying, we'll just carry on. I understand it totally, because in my house we have the same problem. My wife, with an iron fist, doesn't give us a chance to do or say anything. She won't let Kunal bring food from outside because she didn't want anybody in the house, so there's too much food in the fridge. And so I starve because I hate the home food and I don't get the outside food. I have to still get Kunal's company, which I'm paying for. It's like a tax, but I'm not getting the payment that I should get, compensation for his company. So I'm stuck with him. We say nothing to each other, like to an old couple who just stare at each other, after 40 years of marriage. And now all I'm thinking is, where's the butter chicken? And he's saying not allowed because he's scared of the iron fist. Congress is the same story. The Iron Fist is
Who is
destroying
the
them.
who is the Iron Fist in the Congress? That's what I don't understand.
The Iron
Who is
Fist
that?
is Mia Familia. Mia Familia is the Iron
But
Fist.
it feels to me like the family. God, I don't know, man. They just seem so ineffective, man. I don't understand how.
No, 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 brother. No decisions are made without them. And they've not done a good distillation from top to bottom. In a
Yeah,
sense, the seniors had to move a little bit. Then you needed the younger people at the right time to come up. I mean, just we mentioned MNCs and cricket football teams. Everybody does it. I mean, whether you're Kapil Dev or Sachin Tendulkar, you're giving your send off, man. So I mean,
yeah,
it's just simple business, right? Look, if politics is a business
yeah,
first and nothing else, they have to look at it. Fail, 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 fail. So restructure. If you don't do anything, how are you going to improve? How are things going to change?
yeah. No,
It
I
just,
guess you're right.
I mean, but nobody's. That's why people like Mr. Jha, Sanjay Jha,
Mm,
left the party in the end. Of a few
yeah,
people who were trying to, and now you have these letters from one to the other that keep happening. The 23, it sounds like Caesar and the Senate and all the betrayals and all that. But people are fed up because some of them know that they need to restructure. You need new
yeah.
leadership. You need younger people to come into play. You need to look at your mob sort of situation in terms of grassroots and all that. You lost
I,
Amethi. Amethi
I
used to have
know.
won in your sleep without ever going there.
And I'm
You
seeing
know,
like some of the worst. They're taking some of the worst lessons from the BJP, right? I mean, like the in the sense of the social media warriors, which are essentially
yeah,
keyboard warriors, who are clearly paid, right?
yeah.
And I'm just like, why is like I mean, like seriously, Congress is doing the same thing. Do they really think that this BJP stuff worked to that extent where you'll be able to counteract it? The reason the
Yeah.
BJP stuff worked, right, was because there was a anti-Gandhi narrative, right, which was a clean narrative, which was a
No, it
clear
worked because
narrative.
the guy is magnetic and he was able to use his whatever
Yeah.
charisma, whether you like it or not, across the length and breadth of India. It
No,
worked
but
on his showmanship.
no,
You
no, it
know.
worked for Narendra Modi in that sense. Absolutely. I'm just saying that the overall tenor became a lot more anti-Congress because there was an anti-Gandhi narrative,
Yep.
right?
Yeah.
Now the problem is that with the BJP, or sorry, with the what I'm seeing from these Congress equivalents of the Bhakts, right,
Right.
who are basically putting
Trying to
out the
copy
same
them
kinds
with
of
the
this.
same aggression and all that. Yes.
They're not going after BJP for
You know,
bigotry. They're
I
going
think.
after
Yeah.
they're going pro Gandhi. They're
So
like,
what you're
we
saying?
are part of.
Yeah.
um,
No, what you're saying is that futile energy is being used, and
yeah.
futile operations are in place where they have to look at different leaders at the right places and looking at each institution which they are targeting and trying to see what can be improved there to get people to support them and see their work on ground,
So
or their vision on ground rather, which is even more important than the work at the moment. But that
the way
doesn't.
sorry, no, go ahead, finish,
No,
please.
that doesn't. There isn't any. You can't just be anti. Anti can't be your
Yeah.
party symbol, which is what it is. And you can't they troll, we troll. That's more for the English speaking elite. And
It,
but what's the point of that after a point? It's
it
all about
doesn't.
the what you've done. Are
Yeah.
people happy? And hence they have a great opportunity now with COVID and people not being happy across the length and breadth of the country, especially with this second wave. I think first wave he probably got away quite well, and BJP
Uh-huh.
was well entrenched, I would think. But
Oh,
second
they did well.
innings. So second innings not looking so good. If Congress and the company aren't able to come to the party after this, then they are really the worst ever outfit in the history of India in
Yeah.
terms of performance. Forget whose ideology is right or wrong, but who really cares? As long as we can do our podcast, right, Silvery?
That's
You
fair.
seem to have gone to sleep. Did you fart?
Yeah. No, my internet was giving me a lot of trouble.
Put
Sorry.
your hand up if you did, because that audio. I think Rishi heard a disturbance and he sent us a message on the chat saying, "Looks like it happened." Huh?
Okay.
Can you show us the room to see if everybody's left? Huh?
There was no one in the room to start with.
Ah,
But
then enjoy yourself, beta. Have a good one.
but but I'm holding one in right now. If you want
Are you serious?
to hear it. No, I'm not. I'm not just joking.
Damn. I love this show.
Oh
Roller
well.
coaster.
Ah,
Okay, shall we take
Should,
a quick break, which
yes,
we
please.
let's
normally
take
take?
a quick break. Yes.
Okay. Break, and now the break is over. And now,
So,
Silvery, if your internet's working, we can go back to our formal topics which we planned.
yeah,
I want
I
to do the
think
car. Please do the
before
car.
we do that, just like a little short tribute to Raj.
Oh,
Yeah.
Just
right.
say yeah. So friend of our show, friend of the
Yeah.
network, friend of mine,
Kim.
right? I've known
Yeah.
him for like close to 30 years now at this point. Passed away yesterday. Raj Kaushal. He's been twice or thrice on the podcast. I know that he came
Twice
on as
with
a
me.
guest.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know he's come on as a guest for sure, as like an individual. This he came on one cock and bull for sure. I think he might have been on
Yep.
two.
Yeah.
But just a great guy, and you all should check out his episodes if you want to get to know a little bit about him, because just a great guy, and I mean, like,
And
just keep being missed.
I was in school and college with Mandira.
Right? Yeah.
Worked with her many events where she
Uh huh.
disrespected me, but I love her. And unfortunately, the sad part is, he's one of those guys. I don't want to say this because something is happening. You sound shallow, but he's one of those guys that I really enjoyed his company. I mean,
Dude,
we didn't
there's
spend that
nobody.
much time together, but I've drunk with him on a couple of occasions,
Mhm.
and we just had a great time. We had lots in common, and he's just one of those guys you could hang out with. And there's a line at the end of a play I've done by Chas Palminteri, the actor, called Faithful, where he tells the girl, it's boy to girl a bit, but it applies to everyone. Because, he says, if you're a guy, I wouldn't mind it hanging out with you. And he's a rough and ready guy, and so that's like the ultimate tribute you can give to a fellow person.
Mm.
Like,
Mm.
man, I really wouldn't mind hanging out with you. I mean, short of a lover. So the same thing with Raj. I just thought he was a hell of a,
Mm.
like, just this regular good guy to hang out with.
He was
But
just fun, right? I mean, like, always happy, always, well, not always happy. I mean, like, I've known him for a really
you
long
know
time,
him
so I know
more
when he's
intimately
pissed.
than
Yeah.
than we do.
But so not always happy, but I mean, like, but just like, always like, life of the party, so much
Yeah.
fun. Just
You
like
talk to him about anything. That's why we had him on the
yeah,
podcast. Yeah.
yeah. No, he's
Sorry,
just
go on.
a great guy. No, just a great guy. I mean, like, and I mean, like,
Can I
passed
can I
away
tell you
on.
my vicious thoughts? Because I
Yes.
get them every time. I'm so petty. I really think I need a therapist. The moment nice people pass away and young people pass away and all, I just get angry that bad people aren't dying.
Yeah.
I have a list of people in my head that I would like to, read, and they're alive. And I'm always
Let's
thinking,
hear it,
why
Faris.
couldn't you exchange? Can we have Raj? I'll send you three options right now. Tick, 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 tick. You know, and it always comes to me, especially when I feel a sense of innocence about someone dying young, or you think, was basically a guy who never made the world a worse place as against
Mhm.
so many people we know. And I don't just mean politicians, I'm talking about even people in your life.
Yeah.
There's one bloody vendor who's not completed the terrace work for the last 6 months. I mean, he could have gone for all I care. Maybe he
Uh,
did because we haven't found him. Sorry.
no, I'll just add this, right? I mean, like, so Raj was so for people who don't know my background, right? I was an assistant director in films, but then I spent a long time doing tech stuff. Raj has been a friend of mine since I was like 18 years old, right? We first met when he was Mukulanan's assistant, and so I've known him forever, right? And so when I was looking at podcasting again as something that and it's in some ways it was a re-entry back into the entertainment space after being in tech for 15 years, right? And so I was talking to him a lot about this podcasting stuff, right? That I really wanted to do it. And just like, one of the most encouraging conversations, like, even though you know how tough this stuff was, right? I mean, like, there was nothing, nobody knew about this shit, nobody understood it, nobody kind of this. But just like, the sheer kind of like, dude, if you think this is right, just fucking go for it, right? I mean, like, just that kind of ballsy, go for it kind of attitude that he had about, and that was true across like just the way he was. So I mean, like, yeah, I mean, like, just great guy. As a company and as a network, I think we're indebted to him, and just gonna miss him a lot.
This is why I have problem with religion, bro. I really do. This is why I do. I just can't explain it sometimes. I just feel that, why? It just seems like it's just wrong. I mean,
Yeah.
there's really a good life has been taken, and I mean, surely if there really is a religion and gods and this and that, surely they could, if karma is really a thing, they'd be doing the maths and saying isko nikal, isko nikal. There's just too many innocent people, like in COVID. You mean so many innocent people who are basically really nice human beings and the kind of human beings that you want in the world, and I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm a bitter old man, but yeah, let's just get back to Raj. Yeah. So yeah,
Yeah. No, I think. Yeah. I mean, like, yeah, he's gonna be missed, man. I mean, he's gonna be missed. I mean, like, and deepest sympathies to Mandira and everybody else. Two kids recently adopted a child. I mean,
yeah.
so just sucks. Sorry, I think I think that's enough of the downer stuff
Well,
on the podcast.
you'll never get a podcast like this, which started with farting and then goes to like a tribute. So I mean, guys, we really suck. And maybe Raj gave you the wrong advice. He's just such a nice guy. He just didn't want to break your heart. Yeah. Silvery?
Cool.
Right?
What do we have,
Can we-
Antrich?
Let's get to a
Hey, let's do
slightly
the car,
more.
bro.
Let's go to a slightly more lighter topic.
Yeah.
There is now a flying car that exists. So let me just share my screen quickly.
Boy, Dilip
that's-
Chabria is in jail as far as I remember, so it can't be him.
Oh,
see?
really? I thought he was out.
did-
No,
Did he get out?
Can
Did
you
he
guys see,
get bail
can
out?
you guys see my screen?
not yet.
No.
Okay,
Now it's
it'll
coming.
come. Okay, now it's coming. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
But-
So this is
okay,
the
yeah.
video.
You playing the video?
Wow, that was insane.
What?
It did a like full mirror in mirror thing when you were sharing the wrong tab. You were sharing the StreamYard tab by mistake.
Oh, here it is.
Look at that. It's
This
like image in image in
Wow.
image. It's kind of cool. It's like,
So we see the same thing magnified 3 times.
yeah, one. No,
Oh,
you
did
see
you
more
watch-
than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's probably going further than that as well.
Have you
What
seen
you've
Bo
done,
Burnham's
You're
new
giving
special?
Amit an erection with tech. Don't do that. This is the last thing we need on this bloody show. He's just stolen the thunder from the excitement of that damn car. because he wants
Okay,
to
I'm
have the
sorry.
tech
I'm
that
sorry.
happened.
Let's go back to the flying car.
Really,
Okay.
man. Now
Alright.
you killed it. We can't have. It's like 2 jokes back to back. The second dies
Oh.
always. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, all right.
So it's gonna show a small part from this video. It's the video of a flying car that is
But
designed
it looks
by
like a plane, bro.
it.
Nothing.
So, yeah, but basically
Okay.
it's a car that has wings and all and like a rotor behind it.
Okay, got
So
it.
I'm just gonna go like fast forward. Now it's like in the air, dude. And so it's like it's flying. That's a
Wow.
car.
It's
in
just
the
a
air with
prototype, or
wheels.
somebody actually owns it.
No,
It's a
this is a
BMW,
prototype.
no?
That is BMW prototype, but it's a prototype
Yeah.
right now. Yeah, but at some point, I'm sure they want to make it.
Listen, this is going to be a big hit in Gurgaon.
Antrich,
You will-
I've got to
with money
say,
will-
sorry, but one thing I just got to say before anything else, Antrich, I'm really impressed with you, and I feel like I've done well by you because
Number of
part
tabs?
of your no, because by
Okay.
the part of your suggested videos, the second one is an NBA video.
Oh, okay, wow. No,
Oh,
I
excellent.
just realized I signed in from the IBM
The
account.
apple didn't
The
fall
IBM
far from
video.
the tree, it looks like. Yeah.
No. I just realized
Yeah,
I
I
signed from
see
the
it
IBM
too.
account.
I see it too. I can't read it, but I can see it.
This is from the IBM account. not
Stephen
from my
A. Smith
personal
and
account.
Michael Wilbaum react to the Suns'
Yeah.
victory. That's what it was.
So we've lost Amit on this one. First, that tech triplicate thing, that just tossed his head. And then he went on NBA Flash. And so he just lost interest in the car. The car means nothing to him. And the
Because
wonderful
it's flying
name
car,
BMW.
man. I love flying cars.
But what would be the price? That's the first question.
Well, it's prototype, right? I don't think that they've.
Right now it's prototype.
Yeah.
But they're not given a basic possible price. They just prototype and nothing
Also,
more.
it doesn't look like it's like a consumer drivable car, right? It looks like you need a fucking pilot's license to
Professional.
drive that thing.
Where do you park
Yeah.
it? It's a little bigger than a car.
Yeah,
clearly
and
a little bigger,
yeah,
yeah.
you'll need a runway to come down on, and then after that,
Yeah.
you'll need like large place to park it. So,
Runway to take off also.
So other
yeah.
than Antilla, who can get it?
I don't think Antilla can get it. Antilla doesn't have space to land and park. They need a helicopter. Remember?
They'll use the.
That's
turf
why
club.
all of this apparently happened.
Yeah. Oh,
So
Oh, it's
they-
possible we get a helicopter variant at some point. That sounds like a
No,
coronavirus
you can land
variant.
these things on a terrace, bro. One sec.
No,
You
this
got to
thing
get
was
permission for it. Ratan Tata also was trying to
No, but
get
you
his
need a
plane and
long
then they stopped him.
runway.
this,
sorry,
this
helicopter.
car needs so helicopter you can land on a
No,
terrace.
how much
but it
runway
needs-
will it need? How much runway will it need?
No, so this one needed an extensive runway. The
give me a
video
figure.
of that, like it was like 100, 200 yards. It was like it was a significant runway. It was not like nothing.
100, 200 yards. I mean, even a proper plane, big size 707 or whatever. doesn't take
707
100 yards.
needs like 707 takes 1.5 kilometers, dude. What are you talking about?
Have you watched Steven Seagal films? I've seen a plane take off in like 2 seconds. You guys don't know anything until you've seen Steven Seagal. Please watch Steven Seagal. How dare you? This brings us back to gas.
Yes.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
So excellent.
Would you
So
guys
all the
would you
re-
guys trust a plane like this, like or a car like this?
I have prayed for it. It's been my wet dream in Bombay
Okay.
when the traffic is terrible. I prayed for that. I wish I could
Of course,
fly.
yes, correct. You all have, yeah.
So
But would you-
Cyrus will not trust a automated vehicle, like
Mm-hmm.
like a auto drive, but he will trust a flying vehicle. Is that right? You don't trust like the
No,
robot
I
driving.
did trust it. I just it's a little eerie the first time you sit in it if you self-drive yourself and all that.
Oh.
So it's a little odd to get used to it because it's all about control driving a car.
Yeah.
I mean, if you self-drive. It's not that easy to let go of it. People think it's that easy. You're not. You keep touching it. You keep. Okay, that sounds terrible. You keep touching the wheel. I mean, you're wondering. You're a little insecure. But I'm sure if I got to drive it for a while, it would have changed. But come on, guys. Back when this lockdown ends and the traffic starts, it's going to be worse traffic than ever. Everything is not completed. Things are going to stay. Let
It's
me tell you,
already
you'll
worse.
all wish for a dog that doesn't move your light, B, a daughter who helps with you, and C, above all, something that can fly. Honestly,
No,
sorry,
but
sorry about that. Sorry,
traffic's already horrendous.
it's today I've been all
Yeah.
around the city, and tomorrow again I'm going to Goregaon,
Okay, I
which
went to office on Friday, and it took me an hour to get there.
hey, I passed your
I,
office while going to Dub last week, and
okay,
Suresh was walking across the road, and I said hello to him with such a big hi and smile, and he gave me a very very tepid one. Have you sacked him?
no, not at all.
Normally he's very
He's
friendly.
he's
Yeah.
at the office every day working on stuff right now.
Has he got
He's the one guy
Alzheimer's
who's
and
on site.
has he forgotten things or something like that?
I seriously doubt that you are forgettable, Cyrus. You are the one who sends him
Yeah,
for
no, but I
lassi
have a good
every morning.
relationship with him since he's the only
Yeah.
guy who's there on time. He really he won. So I was showing my chauffeur. This is Suresh, and and then Suresh. I said, Suresh, loudly at the signal right outside the old office, ka signal, because
Okay.
the dubbing studio was just there. That JJ's place. What's it
JJ's,
called?
acha, yeah, the
We were there.
Island City.
So I was there for 4 days,
You,
and
you know where the new office is, right?
is it near JJ's?
No, no, it's like from the old office when you're going straight, 3 buildings
Yeah,
ahead on SV Road, where the Yes
on
Bank
the
is on the left.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow, excellent. It'll be easier U-turn, I think, from ahead.
No, it will be a much more fucked up U-turn.
So I have to take a
Big-
U-turn from far ahead, right?
No, no, you come straight, you take a left, and then when you have to go out, then you'll have to go ahead, and you'll have to go to JJ's to take a U-turn to come back.
Oh no,
Yes.
that won't do. I'll go to the old office. Tell Suresh to keep my room open. Okay,
Quickly about this
back to
car thing. Yeah,
uh,
quickly about this car thing.
Uh,
Do you think we'll be able to learn the skills required to drive that car? You think that's a learnable thing?
Yeah.
Like every consumer, you think will be able to learn that?
dude,
I
think
honestly
about
think this. Yeah, go on.
think about how much forget everything else. Think about how much I was about to say, think about how well you can use gadgets which you would never have been able to conceive of 10 years ago. But think about, since the lockdown started, we have been
Hmm.
able to get Cyrus to use the voice recorder on his own. Isn't that a big achievement? If
That is
Cyrus can
amazing.
learn how to
Today,
use a voice recorder,
man,
So
today
we
I
won't
was
say
very
anybody can
Cyrus
learn
is the
any
standard.
technology.
Cyrus is the low bar. You're looking at the if I may use the word retard. Okay, if he can do it, anyone can do it. So I get your point. It's well
That's my
put.
point.
What you're
Yes.
trying to say in a very sweet
but
way.
this one
But
could have like loss of life consequences for yourself
no,
and
I think
others, maybe
they'll
Yeah, but you'll
potentially.
have
simulate
to get
everything on the
licensed.
comp. They'll be like everything will be done
Okay,
on a comp, so
huh.
you'll just follow
Yeah.
it on the
Yeah.
comp. They'll make it easy. There's no way you're gonna have to do a flying course and all that. So you'll just be literally playing a video game. So Amit will be doing it in his sleep. He'll probably just drive for no reason if he had the money. Yeah, but I only
Yeah.
would use it, for the good of society by going over all the people stuck in the traffic and urinating on them from up. How do you like Haji Ali now, boys? Yeah. Sorry, but these things are bound to happen. Have you been on a
Yeah,
roller
and then
coaster?
there'll
Have
be
you not spat from a roller
accidents.
coaster?
Sorry, so roller coaster
Have you
what?
been on a roller coaster and have you spat?
Yeah,
Or what do we call
no,
them
I've
in the small
never
ones in
spat.
India?
Oh, you mean
Ferris wheel.
the
Ferris wheel, yeah.
okay. You mean
Yeah.
spit from it?
Of course. So that
Why
people
would
get your
you?
spit.
So
Just
that
Okay.
you
mischief,
think
juvenility, infantile
All right.
behavior,
Okay. All right.
frustrated Indian male. Thinks
That
it's fun.
is all fair. I have never done that.
no, 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 no.
I
Amit, how
don't.
can you
I
not do
never even
this?
never even
If
occurred
it
to
goes
me
at
to
a
do it.
certain pace and you do it, you don't know who your victim is. If someone hits you
So
only, with the wind
Yeah,
blowing
exactly.
back.
It could hit you.
Yeah.
Why would you then do that if that's a possibility?
yeah, exactly. I mean, like, yeah, no, man.
It's like blowing in the wind, literally. I mean, it's you're
It is
taking a
blowing in the
chance.
wind. Yeah.
It is, but it does hit people. Some auntie's hair. Suddenly there's a big. I mean, yeah, it's like
It,
scoring a goal, but
it,
it's childish. Don't do it. People listening, don't do this, especially if you're over 45. It'll look really bad. Yeah.
yeah, maybe you might want to come off as an adult. That might be a good
How can
thing.
you not do this, guys, when you were young? Didn't you do this?
I mean, I
I
spat from my building, like just out of the balcony, just to see how long it takes to get down. I've done that. But
How do
not
you know how
on
long?
people. Not on
Yeah.
people. Like, yeah, I can
Okay.
see where
Yeah.
it's
No.
landing. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't really. I don't think I've ever felt the need to like spit at an amusement park. Yeah, or at
Ah,
least like spit like off this, right? I don't know. I
I'm
just
so disappointed in today's kids. Well, not today's
I
kids, whatever generation
yeah,
you guys are.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I don't know, but I mean, like, I did. Am I missing something here? Like
I thought
No,
you
I,
would tell me better
nothing is
stories and
like.
you did worse with your body parts. I'm only talking about
I.
spitting, which anyone can do. I was thinking you'd take it further. And I,
So
and I, and
do you remember that movie, Problem Child?
no,
Have you
but
seen
I
the movie
have
Problem
one.
Child? Okay, so there's a movie
No.
called Problem Child. John Ritter, the guy from Three's Company, was on it.
Yeah, yeah, of
They
course.
have a sequence in it, right? Young kid who was basically the biggest brat imaginable, which is what the movie Problem Child was made of. He gave somebody something to eat before they got onto a. You remember there's this like kind
See?
of thing that goes this and then goes like
Carousel.
like yeah. So it's like it starts going like
Half
it
carousel and
it's
half Ferris wheel. Yeah, yeah, I know
no,
what you're
so
saying.
it's starting as it's basically it's a standing ride. You're standing on it. People are standing in a circle on a disc, and the
Yeah,
disc basically goes from flat to 90 degrees, right? So
correct.
then you're like going up and down and stuff like that, right? And
So he
so
vomits.
one of the scenes on the movie is projectile vomiting during the this, and the projectile vomiting turns contagious because you vomit on somebody
Oh,
and then that person
that
vomits,
wasn't.
and
Oh
then
god.
also vomits, and so it's
Oh
like
god.
all this vomit. So I do
Oh man.
remember that, but
Kumbaya moment if you think about it, because you're bringing a community together in a
yes.
collective action. So there's
Vomiting.
a beautiful. I can see that. I'm okay
Yeah.
with all this. This is good.
But
Yeah,
I can't see the appeal of doing this or participating this or being in this or being around this for myself.
guys,
It's
this
fun
was
to watch on
years
TV.
ago.
Fun
I
to
mean,
watch on TV.
but I've done all this stuff that I talk about when I was very young, or at least in my 38, 39, somewhere there. I mean, so the years have passed. I'm a different guy now. I'm scared to go out. I don't want to go out unless I told my wife if they're paying me money, I leave the house. I won't leave the house otherwise, except to walk the dogs. Yeah, which is what most ministers do, by the way. They leave the house, they make their money, and they come back. Yeah. Okay. Shall we do the
Okay.
AMAs?
Let's
No,
do
we
the
should get to
MS.
one last topic that we have.
Okay.
Then we can get to the Bill Cosby. We meant to talk about this.
Ooh.
Bill Cosby basically got freed from prison after being in jail for about a little under three
3 years?
years. He,
Yeah.
yeah, he had like a 3 to 10 year sentence. Like it could have been anywhere from three
He's
years to 10
already in
years.
his 80s, bro. I mean, really? That's a life
Correct, correct.
sentence,
Yeah.
only, isn't it? Yeah.
But he got freed because the conviction of
Technicality.
the
Yeah.
guilty conviction got reversed on basically a technicality. Uh, my understanding is that earlier there was a deal that he had made with the attorney, the district attorney there
The
earlier.
prosecution, huh?
Yeah, which the district attorney did not adhere to. Like he didn't stick to that.
Correct.
What the agreement was. The agreement was like no prison time or something, if I'm not wrong, right, Amit?
So from
But he
what
accepted
my
guilt for that. Yeah.
You had to accept guilt
so
in some form. Yeah.
my memory of this, right, was that basically, or rather my reading of it was that he accepted guilt as part of a plea bargain for one particular case, right? And part of that plea bargain was that he would not go to jail or what have you. The confession which was made as part of that plea bargain was used in a separate case, and that is the case in which he got jail term,
We got
right?
jail only on this one case, not on that collective case of all
Not
those
on the
women together.
no, so because most of them are out of it's fucked up. He should be in jail.
Statute of
Like,
limitations, backed off,
yeah,
last minute changed their mind, weren't
exactly.
100% sure. All that happened.
So
Yeah.
yeah, so it's a fucked up situation where he
But
is
just to
not in
understand,
jail.
so Bill Cosby did do that, right? Because all the
Oh,
jokes that have
100%.
come after that and
Absolutely.
the
Yeah,
legends.
There's no way that he's not done it.
Yeah.
60 people, sorry, 60 women have
Yeah, that's
accused
what.
him. Of course he's done
And it's
it.
the
It's like,
same MOI is the same, modus operandi, whatever,
Yeah.
yeah,
MOU.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I
So
tried it. I used to try to get girls drunk myself, not to pour them, but just because I thought they liked me better. And I failed every time. I got drunk, I liked them better, they left. Every time. Be careful.
but
Yeah.
yeah, good
No,
advice.
but his whole thing was he was the father of the nation in a sense, not the way we
America's
say it.
dad.
Yeah.
America's
America's
dad.
dad. Sorry, I should
Yeah.
use that phrase.
Oh.
That's a better
Father of the
phrase.
nation is
youngster.
Gandhi. Sorry,
Yeah,
don't say
don't
that.
go there. Let it go. I'm an old man. We've got different reference points. We've been saying that from the beginning. Could do a show about just wrong references or how we just live in different worlds. Yeah, I mean, who would call him father of the nation? I mean, really, the guy's America's great comedian. Yes, no doubt.
Yeah.
Okay, so favorite dad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, but again, it's one of the things which you get. I feel like, while I understand why he's out and he should be out because of this, because again, if you're making a legal deal of this
They've gone back
nature,
on their
right?
word. Yeah.
It's not just
Yeah.
that, right? So it's because many times people will accept deals because they want to end certain situations.
Yes.
In this case, that's not the case, right? But in certain situations, they'll be like, okay, take a misdemeanor plea and we'll end it. Or take
Right.
a small plea and we'll end it so that, we don't have to it's a settlement, manually, right? So
Correct.
now to take that settlement situation and then use information that you got from a settlement for another thing, not fair, right? Again, couldn't happen to a worse guy or a better guy. This guy deserves everything that he got, and I mean, like, I have zero sympathy for him in any way whatsoever. That he spent 3 years. I
Mm.
wish that the appeal had taken 7 years instead of 3 years, and then he
Mm.
would have gotten that. That would have made me happier. You know what I'm saying? I have no sympathy for him, but
Yeah.
at the
I
same
feel
time, I
really
get
bad.
the rule.
I really like him. So,
Uh,
I'm not saying to take his side or whatever, but I just
uh.
feel very bad. You feel
So
really,
they talk about art versus artist, right?
hmm.
Yeah.
Can you separate the art from the artist? And I
Yeah,
generally
but
have found that I
in a
don't have
sports
that
person,
much.
I would be okay
uh
with this comment. But in Bill Cosby, because Bill Cosby wore Bill Cosby,
Yeah.
America's
Mm.
Dad, the books he wrote, he was that, and he was a kind of comic that every single comic looked up to. I mean, he's just too legendary. I can't think of a
So
single one who doesn't mention him from the next generation that followed and subsequently. I mean,
yeah.
Eddie Murphy, Jerry Seinfeld, you're going to get bigger than that. They all,
Yeah.
and then of course they all made fun of him now the last 3 years. So
Yeah.
now that he's out, he can go after them.
Chappelle
Yeah.
has a great bit in his special
But Chappelle loved
about
him.
Bill Cosby.
Chappelle loved him before.
So, loved him, but and
Yeah,
he talks about that. That's what he
yeah.
breaks it down. He's like, I used to love this guy, and basically the line is, he rapes but he saves, is the line, and in the special it works, but don't take. I promise
Yeah,
you,
out of
don't take it.
context.
Listen,
Let Chappelle
yeah.
say it.
Listen
Let
to special.
Chappelle
Listen to
says it,
special.
we're okay with it. When other people
Yeah, yeah.
repeat it, we're
He
like,
says
oh
he
my
has like a whole
God.
thing around it.
You're like, call the censor board. What are you doing? Yeah.
So
Yeah,
what I find interesting is the art and artists when they talk about this stuff, right? I watched a couple of Roman Polanski movies recently, old movies, not any of his new stuff. I could watch them without, being like, what the
Thinking
fuck.
about another
Again,
13-year-old girl.
exactly, right. I could watch them, right. Louis C.K., different situation, not as bad. Agreed, all that. But I had no
Yeah.
problem watching, the latest stuff that came out
But
from him.
Cosby?
Cosby, couldn't watch it, man. I mean, he had a stand-up special which came out, I think, 2-3 years before he went to jail.
Yeah.
And I started watching it, and as I'm watching, I'm just like, dude, this guy, fuck him, man. It's just like, it's not like there's
yeah,
an
Also,
evilness.
he could have done anything else. Adultery would not have been an issue. He could have had
Yeah.
relations with other girls. He just had to do. He was his legend. There'll be enough girls who'd want to be with him even as he aged. He was just too big.
The,
He's an attractive man in his own way forever because of his
the,
legendary status. So I couldn't
yeah,
understand why you need to do this. This sounds like a guy from my part of the woods. Who we really struggle with the
yeah.
ladies, and then you have to
yeah.
find all
Also,
these deceitful things to do.
he Bill Cosby has already announced that he will start touring again at whatever 80 years of age he is. Start touring again
Who,
and explain his side of the story after all of this. He's been
who
saying,
will
"Hey,
allow him?
I've always stood fast that I was not guilty, and none of these things were done by me,
But
and the
too
courts
many
have just proven
women.
me right."
Silvery, how is he going to
Yeah,
prove
yeah,
60
correct. But
women
this is what
lied?
he's saying.
60,
This is what he's
60
saying. No,
plus.
like this is what he's saying.
I
Yeah,
mean, 55, I would say yes, he's right. But once you cross 60, that's the
No,
magic number, Amit. 60 is
and,
just too much.
and it's not 60, it's more than 60, right? Because there's no way that every single woman who this happened to came out and said
Now
that
absolutely.
this
we'll
happened,
find
right?
it's 114 and one guy. So let's just get it right. It's a lot
Hmm.
of people. Yeah. Because those are guys who show up for the special when he does it. When he starts to tour, the 114 victims. Yes, Bill.
Yeah,
Tell us another one. Oof, I would think he'd keep a low profile. There's no point, because there'll be shame, humiliation to follow.
Mhm.
People will heckle you. Who won't? This is America, brother. This is land of the free in terms of stating your opinion. Their sense about situation little better than ours. Huh. Anyway, shall we do AMAs? It's 53.
Let's
yes,
let, let's do AMAs, yes.
yep. Okay, first one comes in from Arjun R. He says, "Hey Cyrus, how do you think people like Joe Rogan slash Lex Friedman, etc., manage to do 3 hour long podcasts without having the urge to get up and pee?"
Oh, that's huge. Is
Yeah.
that 100% true? Is it live format? Because otherwise, I'm sure he can pee.
So
And they're
I
always
know
imbibing.
sometimes
So peeing.
it has happened that the guest will be like, "Oh man, I'm sorry, dude. I know this is a 3 hour long podcast, but I really need to take a leak." So the guest will then get up and either Joe will continue talking or they'll be like, "We'll pause it here and then we'll be back after like whatever
Look, we
5
never
6
see his
Yeah.
hands really and his lower body. He could have a can.
Maybe he's peeing the entire
Yeah,
time, is
I
what he's
mean,
saying.
there's a can right there. I mean, he just drops it in and does a little Rogan Josh, and nobody knows. But it's a good point. I like this point because there are those really long ones, and I'm wondering myself sometimes. Yeah, and it's a cold studio generally, so the reasons to pee are more. You're an aging man, 50
Mhm.
plus. Yep, very good point. Superbly put. I'm glad that our audience thinks like us. All the
Yeah.
mundane and stupid things that nobody asks and thinks about, which is great. Then you're in the right place.
I just gotta say, there's no way that they don't get up sometimes to take a break for a
Yeah,
bathroom if you're
absolutely.
doing a
They
3 hour
absolutely do.
break.
Yeah.
Thing is,
We've done we've done podcasts which are of that length, right? And you
Mm,
generally break at some point after an hour and a half. People can't speak effectively.
correct.
They stop making sense, right? I mean, like
Oh, we of
you get
course
tired. We
we
never
go
make
with the not.
sense.
Yeah, so we have that rider from the beginning,
Yeah.
so we're okay with the time. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, but
But
also we land up watching. I don't know, the whole world I think lands up watching more of the shorts with a guy like Joe Rogan. The 3 hours
yeah,
is actually viewed by the guy who's really interested. But
yeah,
we are getting the 10-12 minute, so we
yeah.
will never know
Well, you're seeing clips, exactly. You're seeing
the
clips, so you
clips.
wouldn't
What are
see that.
those
But
highlight thing
again,
reels?
we've done shows where we're doing like these 2 3 hour long shows, and in that they would always you'd always take a break in the middle because
Amit,
it's
why
just
don't we have
it's
highlight reels? We should have highlight
we
reels.
we do have highlight reels. Just follow
We have
Instagram,
highlight reels.
follow IVM podcast on Instagram. People, we do have highlight reels. They come out
IVM.
almost every
Let
other
me
day.
write that down so I don't forget. IVM
IVM
is that
podcasts.
IVM podcast. All right. You
Yes.
guys sell stuff, is it? Like
Well, we sell.
consumable,
We are a place
sell
where people
ideas.
can come and enjoy themselves. Right? Pass your
We talked.
time.
We talked about farting, spitting. A man who is molesting women for the last so many years, and you expect me to believe what you say, my friend? A car which I can never afford, which apparently flies. You know? Oh God. All right. Next
All
one.
right. Next one comes in from Pranav Shetty. He says, "Does Cyrus remember his Film Center Tardeo days? I
Of
remember
course.
seeing Cyrus in Film Center canteen in the late 90s. He was such a star then."
Now nothing. Yeah, but fair enough. But film center. So for those who don't know, is a small building, and there was one canteen down. It's always run by a Shetty in Bombay for some reason. It's like a law, okay, and he has to be called Anna, which is actually, I don't know why because it's more like a Tamil word, but whatever. So
At
Anna
one
was there.
point, was it not called Shetty's?
It probably was.
I think it was at one point called Shetty's because I seem to remember going there like it was a restaurant at some point. Again,
No, it was
very early
decent.
days. Yeah,
Decent. You got decent stuff, just like any OTP.
yeah,
It was very close to a normal
yeah.
OTP.
Exactly. Yeah.
But we all owed him money. See, when you work in the same first floor thing and whatever, you always had a line of credit. But there's too many people and just not paying on time. So he was like that Shetty in Trishul, that character, it's really angry all the time. So yeah, but it was fun. And what cheap budgets we had. Our breakfast would be there when we shoot outdoors like a bakra thing or whatever. We just eat there and then no food till 3:34 till we finish shooting. So from like 8 o'clock till 4. I never thought that it was a bad thing. But now we have rights. Those days MTV didn't care. पैसा इतना है अभी करना पड़ेगा चलो फटाक go. That's it. Yeah, it was great stuff. We had bars opposite too, Amit, for late night work.
Where at Film Center? What bars were there?
Yeah, there was an earthquake nearby. There was something opposite, and yeah,
Earthquake was there. That's right.
there
Yes.
was a
Ghetto
other
was close by too, actually.
ghetto was little. You take a car, but just opposite we had one whose name is not coming to my mind, where the
Earthquake
boys
was
would go and
also
just you could
earthquake
just
far enough
borrow
to take
one.
a car, no?
Earthquake you could walk right, but the ghetto was I wouldn't. It was too far.
Okay.
And for ghetto there would be like nice pretty women inside, and also I needed to work hard on that act. But these bars were like, you just walk in, they're just men, you have a quick drink and go back. Yeah. Glory days, Silvery, glory days. Film Center,
Hey,
by the way, it has a huge history in Bollywood. Film Center is one of the old buildings where a lot of
it
the
is.
editing work and all was done and stuff. Yeah.
Oh,
Goes back in time.
It had like studio floors and stuff like that too, right? I
Yeah,
thought it was shot
everything
over
back in
there.
the day.
Yeah,
Yes, very
yeah.
big name.
And I
Yeah.
think some big name
Isn't it
guys had offices
Sanjeev
there.
Patel's place, isn't it? If I remember correctly,
I
or they
don't
own
remember
part
the.
of it or something.
I know
The
a lot
White
of
House guys.
the. Yeah, that sounds right. White House is the
Yeah,
landlord sounds right. I know a lot of people have
yeah.
had offices over there, right? So the Shadi.com people had their office over there for a long
Yes,
time.
yes.
oh,
That's how we
Then they
met him.
moved
Anupam Mittal.
when
Yes.
yeah, when they moved out, then they put their Moj, which was a video game product office in there.
Yeah.
I know somebody who had a herbal remedies office on the ground floor over there
That's
as
why the
well.
bar was important because you would have your herbal remedy and quickly have a drink. It was all
Then
a
I
package.
think in the early 2000s, you might remember there used to be the prizes to win or contest to win or something like that.
Yes, contest to win started
Contest
there,
to win.
and it took
They
it
have
took a
their
few of
office
our
over there.
employees when it started with a big bang. Arun
Yes.
Mehra, if you're listening, I know you ran away to contest to win. He just went down to buy chips, never came back. It was in contest to win. They just hijacked him in the same building. Can you believe it? That's it. Yeah.
So
All
I
right,
remember
guys.
going there a lot for
Oh,
a bunch of different. So let me. There's this one question which I've actually seen
yeah,
asked
yeah.
like the last three times I've been on. It's by Arthik Shetty.
Hmm.
Hey guys, any TV shows or web series which you gave up on midway?
I was watching.
There are a
What is
lot
it?
like How I Met Your
Yeah.
Mother, Big Bang
Yeah.
Theory. All these shows I've given up on
You
midway
didn't
because
finish
they
up
got.
how I. You didn't go into How I Met Your Mother all the way.
I watched like till season like 5 or
Ah,
maybe even
I
like
find,
6.
yeah,
Then
I
I
don't
got
like
like
that
bored.
show. My
Yeah,
kids love that show, but
yeah.
I can't. I don't find it funny enough. It's not like Blackadder or Seinfeld or it's just not
Right.
endearing or funny enough for me. So I don't get it.
Yeah.
I got
Okay.
bored. Cheers, I liked, but it's too old. Yeah.
Okay. I've given up on lots of shows midway. I
I
basically
can't
I have a
remember.
Yeah.
I have
I'll
a
check.
very strong kind of this, right? If you don't interest me beyond a point, then screw it. I'm gone. I have a low
Hmm.
threshold to drop stuff. But at the same time, I'm not that difficult to please either. I'm
Conspiracies I've
happy with.
not completed. South Park
Okay.
I've got lots more to watch. Jupiter's
Yes.
Legacy I gave up. It did nothing for
Yeah.
me. I thought
The
superheroes, which I
trailer only
like.
looked bad. I didn't even feel like
Yeah.
watching Jupiter's
Yeah,
Legacy.
like a B grade
Yeah,
Marvel. Drug
yeah,
Lords, I
exactly.
landed up seeing versions
You
of
know,
many of that
I'll tell you
before.
one which might surprise people. I dropped out of Daredevil, the Netflix show, very
Yeah,
quickly.
it's slow, bro. It's slow. I agree with you. Tough,
Within
tough
an
one.
episode and a half, I was gone. I'm like, dude, this is it.
Yeah.
Of the
I'm
first
not watching
season,
this.
of the very first season,
Very first
that was a
season,
Hey,
bit
it's
too
episode and
slow.
a half,
much.
I
Silvery.
was done.
It's slow. You've got really into it. I'm watching
I mean,
Merlin,
yeah,
Adventures of
I
Merlin, which
get
I
it.
like. It's
Merlin, the
Oh,
slightly
King
childish
Arthur. Yeah,
show.
yeah, yeah. It is a little B grade, but yeah,
It's a young, very skinny kid who's
yeah,
Merlin,
yeah, yeah. So
and
he's a
Arthur
young
is like this
Merlin.
big
Yeah,
blonde guy.
he works as
Yeah,
his servant. Yeah, something like that. Yeah,
I've seen that. That's actually fun for a couple of seasons. Then
I
after that, it
like
gets
that
stupid.
show.
Yeah, it
Well,
gets
I'm on
stupid after a
season two.
while.
I'm on season two.
I saw it like 10 years ago, right? It's been a really really
Also, I
long.
like the outfits of that Camelot time, that whatever mythical third century or wherever it is. All the
hmm.
women wore
Yeah,
these very low hanging things which we should never discuss on a podcast. But I
we
really
should
like
not.
those outfits. I also like
Yes.
the armor, but it's very heavy
Yeah,
apparently. You can't
and
walk
it's
I-
around
fun.
with
if
all that.
if you're
I like
looking
that
for
kind of.
a, so please go
No,
ahead.
go on. Sorry, no, you go.
I'm saying if you're looking for a new MCU show to start, the ongoing Loki series is excellent.
Do I
Loki
need
is
to
It's
on.
watch
too
the
good.
other one? Do
Oh,
I
I
need to
haven't
No, you
seen
watch the
don't.
other
Loki.
Not at
ones?
all. Not at all. Not at all.
Huh.
Not at all. No.
Yeah.
I wanted to watch Loki, but then I was like, first I need to watch WandaVision, then I need to watch
No, you
this
don't.
the Black
Falcon and Winter
Panther thing.
Soldier.
Yeah, then after that I can watch Loki. Is
No,
but
not
I
at
don't.
all.
I can just
Not
go
at all.
straight.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Then
You've seen Infinity and Endgame, right?
yeah, I've
Infinity
seen.
Wars and
I've
Endgame. Yeah.
the only movie that I have not seen three times, right,
Oh,
is
wow.
Ragnarok.
Oh, that's actually one of my favorite MCU
Yeah,
movies. I
no,
loved
but so
it.
I never saw Ragnarok in my first watch through. Then I saw it
Oh,
after, so right before the last one, Infinity Endgame was the last one. Right
Endgame was the
before
last one.
that,
Yes.
yeah, right
Let
before
me
that I saw
see what I'm
Ragnarok.
watching, because the truth is what I'm watching. So Pornhub, Lockertube, ApeTube. Oh, sorry. I don't think I don't think it's the right forum for what I'm watching. But yeah, I do stop. I do stop in the middle.
Wow, it takes you
Interruptus
3 hours.
you.
That takes you three
Interruptus
hours, Cyrus.
you.
Yeah.
Oh God, we suck. All right, guys. Shall we go eat dinner
Yes.
now? I'm going to go to Goregaon
Let's
tomorrow to mentally prepare myself, yeah, for the long drive.
Sure, sure.
cool.
Yeah,
What,
go to the mandir,
what
get
time are you going
blessings.
to Goregaon?
9 sharp, I'll leave. 10 is the call time, and they have
What
to
time are
stop at
you?
4.
You have to stop at 4. Call me when you're
Yeah.
leaving. I'll probably be in the office. I think at that time. Come by, see the
Oh,
new place.
oh, it's
Yeah,
excellent. Okay.
yeah.
Good night, ladies. Have a good one.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Hey, by the way, oh, okay.